Hello, my name is Joshua Mugabi. I welcome you to Human Reproductive System Part 5. Bingo! Without wasting any of our time, let's go directly to our quiz. A mature male haploid gamete. They can survive for about 48 hours inside the human female reproductive system. A. Organism. B. Sperm. C. Puberty. D. Vulva. And the answer is B. Sperm. Pleasurable sensation felt by males while ejaculating and by females when clitoris or vagina is stimulated. A. Organism. B. Sperm. C. Puberty. D. Vulva. And the answer is orgasm. Becoming capable of reproduction through natural development of the reproductive system. A. Orgasm. B. Sperm. C. Puberty. D. Vulva. And the answer is C. Puberty. Area surrounding and protecting the external opening of the vagina. A. Orgasm. B. Sperm. C. Puberty. D. Vulva. And the answer is D. Vulva. A hormone produced by the testes stimulates male secondary sexual characteristics. A. Umbilical cord. B. Testosterone. C. Ovulation. D. Semen. And the answer is B. Testosterone. Seminal fluid produced by the male that contains the sperm, together with fluid from the seminal vesicles, prostate gland, and Cowper's gland. A. Umbilical cord. B. Testosterone. C. Ovulation. D. Semen. And the answer is D. Semen. Tube-like structure containing blood vessels which connect a fetus to the placenta in the uterus or womb. A. Umbilical cord. B. Testosterone. C. Ovulation. D. Semen. And the answer is A. umbilical cord. The release of an egg from the Graafian follicle of the ovary into the fallopian tube. A. Umbilical cord. B. Testosterone. C. Ovulation. D. Semen. And the answer is C. Ovulation. Transport sperms from the epididymis to urethra. A. Vas deferens. B. Reproductive system. C. Tube ligation. D. Peel. And the answer is A. Vas deferens. The cutting and tying or removal of part of the fallopian tube for sterilization of the female. A. Vas deferens. B. Reproductive system. C. Tube ligation. D. Peel. And the answer is C. Tube ligation. All the organs involved in gamete formation, fertilization and development of the young. A. Vas deferens. B. Reproductive system. C. Tube ligation. D. Peel. And the answer is B. Reproductive system. A tablet that contains the hormones oestrogen and progesterone taken daily to prevent ovulation. A. Vas deferens. B. Reproductive system. C. Tube ligation. D. Peel. And the answer is D. Peel. Physical characteristics of futures that distinguish males and females at their birth. A. Sex hormones. B. Primary sexual characteristics. C. Tube ligation. D. Peel. And the answer is B. Primary sexual characteristics. Hormones produced in the gonads, which promote the development and maintenance of the secondary sexual characteristics and structures. They also prepare the female for pregnancy and aid in gamete formation. Males produce testosterone and female produce oestrogen and progesterone. A. Sex hormones. B. Primary sexual characteristics. C. tubal ligation. D. Pill. And the answer is A. Sex hormones. Placenta, membranes that surrounded the fetus and remains of umbilical cord, discharged from the uterus after the birth of the baby. A. Sex hormones. B. Primary sexual characteristics. C. Tubal ligation. D. After birth. And the answer is D. After birth. Hello friends, thank you very much for participating in Human Reproductive System Part 5. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. I'm Joshua Mugabi. Bye-bye for now.